Hey guys, I am back with a ton of new Amazon stuff, tons of women, fashion, fall, all the things. So I'm just going to jump right in. If you are catching the replay and you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I try to answer all of them. Follow me at the Traveling Trendsetter everywhere, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, all the things. But I have a ton of fall finds, so I want to go ahead and jump in. So the first thing is I got these little bralettes. They are like a halter top. And I'm excited because I have a bunch of jumpers and I think they'll be cute for like a different look instead of just like a tank. So I did them in like fall colors, so they're like a halter and they go like a band. So cute. Thought those would be cute. And I was thinking like the cream one under my Free People Inspired. Super cute jumper. If you've been around for a while, I have this in like 3 colors. Just ordered it in a fall. I think it's so pretty. It's like a rust, and I was thinking this would be so cute under it. So you just have to hang out for a little while, and I will try everything on. Not tonight, but I post on my storefront, so make sure you follow. I post a review video with the item on, telling you exactly my true thoughts, like everything. If I like it, if I don't, the fit, what size, if I sized up, if I sized down. And then I also post a picture as well. So, and some stuff I get catfished with, and so I will always be honest. And if I'm sending it back, I'm honest about that too. But I thought this would be cute because it's like just a different vibe, perfect for fall. I have this from a different, I thought that I got something on it, but I didn't. I have this from a different vendor, and it is not as thick as this, and it's not as soft. This, I am shocked. This is like butter, and it's got a lot of spandex in it, so that's going to be cute. I already know, and it's going to be perfect for fall. And then I was even, I'll show you in a second, some cardigans I even thought about like throwing over it. So you could do like the halter bralette top with the jumper, and then like, let me show you. So like over this, I was thinking even something as thick as like this jacket. This is linked in my live down a little bit. So, but I was really thinking how freaking cute would this be with like some little booties or even Birkenstocks. Okay, let me find this so y'all can shop this because I'm going to sell this out as soon as I post this Aztec cover up on TikTok and on Instagram. It's going to be gone. I mean, this is so cute. My like niche is Western fashion. I like finding looks for less, like Free People Inspired stuff, Lululemon, all the things, because I like to say I have a champagne taste on beer budget, y'all. We're just trying to make it out here. Like, I'm 31 and I have a shopping problem. No, I'm just kidding. But I do love fashion. This is taking so long to unbutton. I have a fashion degree from LSU. You might recognize me from a reality TV show, former Went Wife. I'm a reality TV star, and then I'm a full-time Western fashion blogger. And I live in Nashville, work with a lot of country music artists, and do all the things. And then I'm a full-time Amazon A-list creator on live, and then also a full-time Amazon influencer with fashion, beauty, and home. So, just want to tell you a little about myself. But how cute would that be with some like little booties or Birkenstocks? I'm obsessed. So that is 3 awesome finds that I am loving, which I don't always have the best of luck because I don't like to read reviews. I like to be the reviewer. So I order anything I think is cute, and then I give my like honest review. But we're doing pretty good this order. So I'm going to go back to the beginning because I skipped some things. I am ADHD and all over the place. So just bear with me. Okay, this is a Free People Inspired waffle knit top. So it's got like a good crew neck with some like extra stitching and designs to give it a little flair. I think that's so cute. I would front tuck into jeans like the model for going into fall. And then I also would do it with like leggings or maybe a skirt. I love answering comments. So what reality TV show did you do? Where do we find the show? I've never seen it. So it just ended on May. It aired on Fox on national TV. But you can watch all episodes on Hulu and YouTube TV. It's called Farmer Wants a Wife. It's like a country version of The Bachelor. It really went well. So they're actually casting for a season 2 right now. So it's like a reality dating show. And I didn't find love, which I just spoiled it for you, but sorry, I will let me stop talking. It's already aired, but I was on a lot of it, so go watch it. You'll see my crazy self and a lot of my Amazon clothes. It was a lot of fun. Met some amazing friends. Okay, this is a Free People inspired as well. This is more of like a sweatshirt, and then it's got like a pretty, like a slitted long wrist. It's got a little detail on the sleeves. Does a show cost to watch on YouTube? I don't have Hulu. You can do a free week trial with Hulu and just binge it. And I don't know if it costs on YouTube or not. I watched it like as it aired on Fox. Okay, I love a good deal, and I, like I said, have a champagne taste on a beer budget, but I do like designer stuff too. But I was not going to spend the money on Birkenstocks, so I found this amazing brand, and I have a toxic trait. If I like something, I buy it in every color, or I want it in every style. So you can tell that I love these because I wore these a couple times this week in Texas while I was visiting family. So I immediately ordered them in this style. This brand is really great. They're comfy. I think Birkenstocks are a perfect shoe for fall. If you're new around here, I do not wear sandals. So the fact that I bought these sandals in 2 different styles and 2 different colors says a lot. I'm a sneaker girl and a boot girl. I wear sneakers, my Vans, Hey Dudes, boots every day. So this is a big deal if I bought these in 2 styles. And they're less than $30. What country artists do you style? So I don't style them, I work with them. So I do a lot of marketing with up and coming artists. I do things with Riley Green's labels. So I'll go to I'll travel with them. So I just went to California for Stagecoach with Riley Green, and labels have different things. So like where they'll have like a big artist, and then they'll have up and coming on different levels. So if I travel with like Warner, I'll work with their big artists, say it's Riley, and then I'll work with like Jackson Dean, things like that. And I go and I make content with them, and I promote new songs on TikTok and stuff like that. It's really fun. I go to album release parties, award shows. I've done some things with Co Wetzel, Parker McCollum, Cody Johnson, lots of country music, Miranda Lambert, and things like Brittany Aldean, things like that. Are you a union worker for country music? No, I am self-employed. I am my own blog. So I am the traveling trendsetter, and people will hire me to do things I do a lot of Western fashion, lots of rodeos, PBR, country music, and then I was on Farmer's Wife. So that is exciting. Okay, like I said, I'm a sneakers girl, so let me show you these. I'm obsessed. High top, nude Nikes. I'm so excited to wear this, and I cannot wait to style those. Hey, Jess! I'm so glad you came over here. I have not been on TikTok Live in a long time. Sorry. I know you're going to tell me that I need to get on. But you know what? TikTok's making me upset lately, so here I am. So the next thing are these super cute linen, balloon pants. They have pockets, high-waisted. I'm thinking about doing like a bodysuit in Birkenstocks with some layered gold jewelry. So cute. So stay tuned to see how I style those. These are really awesome quality, and they are a Free People inspired Anthropologie, urban, kind of like a boho vibe. Yay, I'm so glad you got the notification. I'm so glad because I just got a huge order in and I'm just unboxing it. Okay, next up, I did a poll on my Instagram story and asked my friends if I should get the rust color, the wine, or the green. So they all said the rust, so I am so excited for this cowgirl hat in rust to wear this this fall and to NFR. Actually a PBR, which is Professional Bull Riders, this weekend in Nashville. So that's going to be so fun. I might wear that. It's supposed to be cooling off here in Nashville. I was legit just thinking of messaging you to check in. Oh, you're so sweet. So I went home to Texas, and I was with my family, and I really disconnected. And I came home, I'm not even lying, to 70 packages between Amazon, boutiques. And so today I was organizing it. And then I have a huge event on Sunday with a couple artists here at a wedding venue. So I went to Nordstrom to see if I could find a dress because I don't wear dresses. I don't have any formal wear. Didn't find anything, so I'll be shopping Amazon later for that. So I've just been so busy. But here I am, live with all of you. Okay, next up is another Free People inspired sweater. I showed this to you already in chocolate, but this is in rust. And I just love this color. If you can tell, fall's my vibe. Like I love boho. I love the nudes, the browns, cream, the rust, burgundy, all that. These I kind of got catfished on with the color. So I think these might be going back unless I keep them for Christmas. They actually might be cute for NFR with like a blingy bodysuit. But I thought that they were rust. I swear I ordered the rust. And they sent me like this Christmas red. Which these would be cute if you're like a Georgia fan or college like for a game. But they're the white trousers like jumper. And it comes up to just right under your chest, and then you wear like a t-shirt or blouse. I think like a blinged out bodysuit with these for NFR would be so cute. NC State red, yeah. Okay, so you need these because red is not my colors. I am an LSU Tiger, go Tigers, and so I'll be in purple and gold for football season. Oh, and I just knocked over a whole stack of papers, of course. Hot mess, y'all, hot mess. Next up is this hoodie. I had it last year in blue, but it was a lot thicker. But I'm kind of happy with how thin this is because I am in Nashville. We were in the 80s today. This week we kind of go in the 70s, but it can get really hot. So even though it might be fall, this would be good even with denim shorts or a pair of denim. But it's not too thick, but then you still have like the fall color, the fall like long sleeve vibes. It's like an acid wash olive. And it's a small, so it looks like it's like really true to size. Not too oversized because I know some people don't prefer like too oversized because, you know, then you might look bigger than you are. But okay, these are a Free People identical. This girl on TikTok, she's a hairdresser. She shared the Free People one. So, of course, I went and did all of my searching on Amazon because I swear I can find a dupe or something inspired for everything. So I found them, and they're so cute. I have my selfie light on. I'm obsessed. They come in like 10 colors, and they're my favorite sunglass brand. So these are on my Amazon storefront, and I have a code for Soho. It is Kirsten11, KIERSTEN 11. It will get you an extra 10% off. So go get these. So cute. Today is our hardest day, 98. Oh, wow. Well, it was 103 when I was in Texas last week. I don't know how them people survive. You walk outside and you start sweating. And I had to, and I say that like I didn't live in Texas for 30 years, but I had to shoot fall content in Texas, and I'm pretty sure I lost like 30 pounds. Because it was so hot. It was like 113, I think, one day. Or it was 103, felt like 113 or something like that. Dallas, it was like 135 heat index. I'm like, they're trying to take us out, y'all. Trying to take us out. Okay, this, I'm a little bit on the, like, verge of keeping this and possibly seeing this back. In the picture, she looks so cute in it, so it sold me. But when it came in, I kind of, like, I don't know. It's a little, like, nothing against moms or teachers, but I'm just not a teacher anymore. I taught high school for 4 years, and that chapter of my life is over. And I just feel like it's a little, I don't know. It's not like what I was thinking. I was thinking it was going to be like a little more, not so like color blocked. So we'll see. I'm going to try it on. I'm going to style it. I'll post a picture, and I'll let you guys know if I keep this or not. But it'd be cute for like a pumpkin patch or a teacher for fall day, t-shirt day. It is a great sweater, and it's really good quality. So if you like it, order it. I don't think it's ugly. It's just not really like the vibe I was thinking it was going to be. You know? You never know until you get it in. Okay, this is so cute because, hear me out. So you can wear it as a tank sweater. Like I said, fall transition piece. It's got a nice V-neck. It has like a little bit of a stitching at the bottom, but not too much. Then we could do it over like a button down, over a sweater. You could also do it with a long sleeve under it. And then you could even do it with a long sleeve and a jacket. You could do it over a long sleeve dress. So this is so versatile, but I love it because you can really start out with it now because I know I'm ready for fall. But then you can pull it through winter over different things under. It's very layerable. Made that word up, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I got catfish on this color. I swear to you that this was not this color when I ordered it, but it's kind of cute. I was thinking it was going to be more of like a green, but it's like lime green and like sea foam. But I still think it's cute. I'm thinking like over that cream onesie I have, or even like a white bodysuit with like black joggers or denim shorts, black shorts. I think this could be a cute fall transition piece. So we'll see. Stay tuned for me styling that too. Okay, I already showed y'all this. I'm obsessed. This will be in my closet tonight and we'll never leave it. It's probably my favorite thing from this order. Oh, and I love this. So I have this already in the olive. It's like olive blush and another color. And I love it. So I got it in this like in the cream camel and like taupe. Oh, thank you. That was so sweet, Corey. And it buttons down, it has pockets, and then on the back, it has the hoodie. So it looks like it has like a, you know, a jacket under it. I think this is so cute. And it's so versatile, you can do so much with this. I'm really into like the one piece, like rompers and jumpers, and all the comfy things. So I'm thinking that will be really easy to throw over all of those from this summer to pull into fall. Okay, this hasn't come in yet, but order it. Take my word, I've seen it in person. I've seen a couple of my friends do videos on TikTok about it, and a friend of mine has it in person, and it's exact same as Free People, except it's literally 1/4 the price. So I'm super excited about this denim jumper to come in. I'm going to style it with like a gold layered necklace, my Birkenstock, so sunglasses, and then my Louis fanny pack or bum bag. It's going to be so cute. And then, not that I don't have enough sunglasses, but I need another pair. These are in my cart. And then everything else linked on this live is in my cart and is either going to be ordered this week when I go through this stuff. And if I don't keep any of this, I'll replace it. Or I'll be ordering it at the end of the month. So everything on this live from this product on, I'm ordering. So that means that I love it. So pretty much you can trust my judgment most of the time. Sometimes I get catfished. But this order was actually, I was really impressed. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. If not, if you ever have a question, you can always DM me on Instagram. And then I will be back tomorrow uploading pictures of this all on. I will take them tomorrow and review videos talking about sizing and how they fit and quality. But really everything linked on this live that I showed y'all, the quality is like insane, which I'm shocked because not all Amazon clothes are good quality. And mostly everything is Prime shipping, because I wouldn't order anything that I wasn't going to get within 2 days because I'm moving in like a week and a half. So I didn't want anything to get lost when I change my address. So we love a good Prime shipping, right? And a lot of them have coupon codes, and also when you click on them are on sale. Amazon always runs really good. Thanks. Yes, Jessica, I looked at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I looked at 5 places all in one day in 2 different cities. And then I spent one night online like looking, and I went and saw 5. So I have signed a lease and I move at the end of the month, and I'm excited. I'm downsizing in a sense of space on one floor, but I'm going to a 2-story townhome that's actually bigger but way less. So it's like way less money. So I'm excited. And there's a pool right across the street. I have a front porch, back porch, yard. So it's going to be good. This message has been hidden. I don't know what that means. But alrighty guys, well that is everything that I have. And I love that we had, wow, on this live we had over 20,000 people pop in and out. So that is exciting. I need to go live at night more. But if you, like I said, you can contact me on Instagram, and I will be back this week on Amazon Live. Also, we'll be back Jessica on TikTok Live this week, and you guys have a blessed night.